top story. At this hour, the Karnataka High Court has granted temporary relief to actor Ranveer Singh in connection with the controversy linked to remarks allegedly made about a deity during a public event last year. The case stems from comments relating to Rishabh Shetty's movie Kantara, in which a sacred regional ritual is depicted. The court observed that referring to a deity in an inappropriate manner and mimicking such an act could hurt religious sentiments. Justice Nagaprasanna noted that public figures carry influence and responsibility and emphasized that freedom of expression does not permit casual or uninformed remarks about matters of faith. The court underlined that celebrity status does not place anyone above the law. Senior advocate appearing for Ranveer Singh acknowledged that an insensitive statement had been made and submitted that there was no deliberate attempt to hurt sentiments. The defense argued that a reckless remark alone does not automatically constitute an offense. And taking note of Singh's apology, the High Court directed the state not to take coercive steps for now and instructed the actor to cooperate with the investigation. The matter is listed for further hearing on Monday at 4 p.m. Serious observation there coming in as far as Karnataka High Court is concerned, saying no person is above law. And actor Ranveer Singh found himself in the midst of a controversy after making an insensitive remark about a deity during a public event last year. The case stems from the comments that Ranveer Singh made about Rishabh Shetty's movie Kantara, in which a sacred regional ritual is depicted. Court observed that referring to a deity in an inappropriate manner and mimicking such an act could hurt religious sentiments. And although there is some relief there for Ranveer Singh, with the Karnataka High Court asking the government not to take any coercive action against the actor, for he has apologized for his remarks and said it wasn't his intention to hurt sentiments. At the same time, the case is listed for further hearing, wherein the court will take up the matter once again. So Monday 4 p.m. is when the court is likely to once again hear the petition. My colleague Vajiola joining in with more details. Vaji, the entire controversy, as a matter of fact, stems from one of the act performed by Ranveer Singh on camera, where he was referring to a certain scene of Kantara, which many thought was not only inappropriate but also disrespectful to the deity.
Absolutely, Shweta. This happened at a award function, and he was trying to praise Rishabh Shetty for the acting that he had done in Kantara, and the image that you're seeing, he tried to replicate that in his own way, and that hurted the sentiment of a lot of people from the region. And then a case was filed, and Ranveer Singh also today was summoned. The case was there in court today, and the judge also did not take it very lightly. He informed that though he may be a superstar, he cannot hurt the sentiments of people. Religious sentiments are very important, and he himself knows the history of the deity who he has insulted, and how it has affected a lot of people in the region. And even though he's a star, he should not be doing something like this, and he should be careful. Then one of the lawyers also said that though he may not have information about this, but his spouse has information about this, but the judge, still being a little lenient on him, has said that the government should not take any action against him, but has listed the matter again for Monday at 4 p.m. Now we'll have to wait and watch what he does on that day. But today's hearing clearly indicates that the judge did not take the entire matter lightly. He was reprimanded, he was scolded for being offensive to the deity, which is followed by a lot of people, especially the Chamundi Daiva, which was shown in Kantara, and such expressions like this in a award function. And despite the fact that Rishabh Shetty had previously, before he came on stage, had told him not to do something like this, and he still continued to do it. And if we have all seen that video, even when he was doing that on stage, he was telling him not to do it. But Ranveer Singh, being Ranveer Singh, did what he did, and now the court has taken cognizance of this, and we'll have to wait and watch what happens on Monday when the hearing will come back again.
Absolutely. I think further details will come to light on Monday. But, it's clear Ranveer Singh has been reprimanded, but he's also sorry. He has very carefully conveyed the message through his lawyer that he did not intend to hurt any sentiment. And the fact that he did, it was not intended, it was unintended. Despite all the warnings that he was given, he still ended up trying to mimic a certain scene, which was clearly disrespectful. That's what the court is saying right now. But he's sorry, and therefore he's got the relief where, Raji, the government has been directed not to take any coercive action against him.
Well, absolutely, he is sorry, but the act once done cannot be undone. And that is the matter over here. His reckless, careless statement has got him at this stage where he is right now, despite the fact that he has been told not to do this. Now, though the court has given him some relief, keeping in mind that he is apologetic of his behavior, but what has hurted the sentiment of people has already been done. And that cannot be